Hey guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Em Etetim and I'm a Lagos-based YouTuber. But I'm currently in Accra, Ghana. Okay. Don't judge me, okay? I know how to play this game. The table is not right, the balls are not right. Okay.
Shine a light, don't shy away. You've got more than it takes, you know. Vivian, you know. Shine a light, don't hide away. You are more. Shine a light, don't shy away. You've got more than it takes, you know. You know. Shine a light, don't hide away. You are more than you say, you know. Put your hand in mine. We're in this together, in this together.
Who's there? Vivian! You can come in. Welcome.
Hi.
Welcome to my apartment.
Thank you.
Ghana. So I have a glass of champagne here. Would you like some?
No, I'm good, thank you.
Okay, here you go. Regardless.
Thank you.
So as you can see, this apartment has a very minimal feel to it. Like they don't have a lot of furniture, but it still looks put together. Lighting in this apartment is crazy. We have this, and this serves as, what do we call it? Sunblock to make it less softer, basically. And then there's more lighting. You can't even begin to comprehend. We have like the dining area for my little family. We have the ironing board. Honestly, not all apartments come with ironing boards, and I'm just so happy that this one does as well. You know, it's the little details that matter. Oh, okay, let's go here first. So, we have the kitchen. Where do I start? It's clean. It has a lot of storage. Okay, look at that. They even provide, wow. We are going to be buying groceries very soon, so this is amazing. It's not even possible to use the entire storage here. We have also an oven, which we're definitely not going to be using. We have the microwave. It's so big. We have our fridge, which we have not stocked yet. Then outside here, we have a washing machine. Okay. This is not my promise, I wouldn't know. So, this is basically like the washing and drying area. We have a washing machine here that actually works, and then we have a line for drying our clothes. We have a powder room here. It's very simple actually, but yet you can tell that a lot of thought went into it. So let me take you to the rooms now. I'm definitely not starting with the master because I need you to be surprised.
Shine a light, don't hide away. You are more.
So just before one of the rooms, we have a bit of storage here. So it's not much, but I think it works. We also have, this is storage for the bedroom, and as you can see, this is enough space as I'm going to lie. And it comes with a mirror, obviously, because I don't understand rooms that don't come with mirrors. Okay, so the room is very simple. Like I said, this apartment is very minimal, and the room is just a bed and 2 bedside tables. But again, with good lighting. Lighting is so important. People don't understand that. So this is the washroom. Ooh, they actually have a bidet here. Okay, so basically, I'm in the washroom now for one of the rooms because I think I'm already tipsy. So let me take you to the second room. important. They don't understand. So this room actually just is similar to the other room. It's just a bed and, well, one bedside table. But again, the lighting is incredible. The view is amazing. The bathroom. Well, it's almost the same thing. It's actually the same thing. I think this is the smallest room in the apartment. So, are you ready for the master? I don't think you are. Are you sure? Okay, let's go. Let me take you to the master bedroom. Wait, are you sure? Okay. So this is the master, and you guys, oh my god, my mind was blown when I got into this room. First of all, it's almost wall-to-wall mirror. Almost. So it's all the way from here down here, and it's all like closet space. Look. Everything is so minimal. I can't, like, who designed this place? I don't understand. Like, it's grey inside, and obviously mirror, and the entire room is painted white. And the tiles, grey. Everything is just so minimal. Like, they're not doing the most. I like it. Obviously, there's no like TV or anything. That's the only downside. But it's also a bed and 2 bedside tables and amazing view. Yo, you guys, we have a balcony. Let me show you.
Put your head in mine. We're in this together. In this together. Put your head in mine.
I don't mind. Like, I don't mind waking up here. You guys. So basically, this apartment is a rented apartment. We're just here for a few nights. And no, it's not my apartment. It is my Ghana apartment tour. Okay, so it's not like... I mean, the only reason why I'm looking like this is because when you get, like, when you go to Rome, you behave like Romans. So when you go to a bougie place, you actually have to be like, no, you just have to try. So yeah, this was the master bedroom, and this is what the entire apartment, not the entire apartment, I haven't showed you the balcony. I'm going to show you the balcony in a minute. Winifred, come. How you like this show? How you like this apartment? Oh, first impression. Oh my god. Oh my god. First impression. Give me your No, wait. What is your favorite part of this apartment?
Inside the exterior, the interior.
Sister, everything together.
Oh my god, where do I even start from? Everything, literally, like the poolside.
Everything cannot be your favorite. Which one?
Okay, it will be the poolside. I cannot swim, but so
I love the view. The view, right? Let's take them to the balcony.
What more can you want?
Like this apartment, this is but to be very honest, one thing I know I would say though is that this, when I entered this place, I was so motivated because this is my aesthetic, and I know that one day I'm going to get a place like this for sure.
Definitely.
For sure. And I can't wait for that day to come. The view is crazy. What did he say that was? I don't remember.
National Theatre is there.
Oh yeah, National Theatre. He said something else about
a 5-star hotel.
There's a 5-star hotel there.
Yes.
Okay. Then there was something else down there. What was it though? Was it
Like this place is like,
I know the view is crazy. That's all. Like, you don't understand how I love views. Like, the view is just crazy. You wake up in the morning, you just come here. You would think clearly. How would you not think clearly? Like, I don't understand. Anyway, like. So we are done with the entire apartment, and I'm going to show you the extra areas. That's the common areas, the gym, the pool, and all of the good things. So let's start with the gym. So the gym is on the 7th floor. Yeah, 7th floor is the last floor. So the gym is on there, and I'm going to take you to the gym. Okay? Alright.
this together.
So this is
In
the
this
basic
together. Put your hand in mine. In this
child. I haven't been here in a long time. That's why I actually worked out was in January. So don't let this fool you. So obviously I'm in the gym and this is unhealthy. So I'm definitely going to switch this for yeah. I'm going to have one and then we're going to start working out.
In this together. Shine a light, don't shy away. You got more than it takes, you know. You know. Shine a light, don't hide away. You are more than you say.
So this is the gym. It is, I think it just has like all the basics, everything we need in the gym. It has proper shoulder equipment, shoulder and back. It has cardio. It has weights, and it also has a boxing. What do they call it, Vivian? So yeah, it's very basic, and I know that I'm actually going to be working out here like every night and every morning for the entire time we are here. So the next place I'm taking you to. One second. We have a sauna. I'm sorry, I totally forgot. Okay, so you can actually use the sauna. Anybody that is a resident here can use it or has access to it, but you have to give them a call and they're going to come and fix everything up for you. If you're definitely using this thing tonight, though, like I don't understand. So this is the games room. It's games plural because there are actually 2 games in here. We have the pool and then we also have the table tennis. And you don't know, but I used to play the pool. I'm good, by the way. I don't have to prove it to you, but I'm going to. Winifred. Hey, girl. What's that? What I'm playing today? You couldn't be more extra if you tried. So, yeah. So, let's do this. Go and got this, okay? Let's go. You don't know, but I used to play the pool. I'm good, by the way. Like, it's usually like this, right? Vivian. It's usually like this, right? I'm good, by the way. Like. I'm sorry, I trusted you too much. I'm good, by the way. Like. You don't know, but I used to play the pool. I'm good, by the way. Like. Okay. Don't judge me, okay? I know how to play this game. The table is not right, the balls are not right. Okay, so this is basically the games area. So if you're good at these games, or if you just want to, you know, relieve stress, you can come to this place, you know, and just play the game. You guys, I'm literally doing the most. But let me take you to the event area, basically where you can host parties, you know. That's what we're about.
In this together. Put your hand in mine. We're in this together. In this together.
Okay, so this is like the event area. Basically, you can host your parties or whatever event you want to have. They have so many seats here. They're like 1, 2, 3, 4 tables. Oh, can you hear me? Because it's very loud. I really hope you can hear me. So there are like 4 tables here, and yeah, you can actually host an event. Like, how many friends do you have? How many people can you invite? And there's a freezer, you guys, and also there is you could literally barbecue. Like every corner of this Airbnb has mad views. So this is the cinema. As usual, in every cinema, we have projector screen, we have chairs. Obviously, they did say that it can be adjusted, so you could, like, everybody could face the screen. We also have the decoders here. We have DSTV in case you want to watch DSTV or whatever you want to watch. Actually, you can plug in your USB as well and watch it. So yeah, it's very simple. It's a cinema. What do you expect of a cinema? Just come here, watch movies and drink wine, and that's it. So yeah, now let's get to my favorite part of this Airbnb.
Put your hand in mine. We're in this together, in this together.
This is crazy. You guys, when I say that this is a luxury apartment, you have to believe. Wow. I'm dead. The views. The views is crazy. Wow. So you guys, this is and this is the hot tub. This is probably where you're going to find me 90% of the time, okay? Because I'm probably going to be in here texting. Is what I'm saying. That's what I'm going to say. Okay. I can't even like. Sorry, please. Can you tell me where do I begin? Like, where do I begin? Help me because I can't. I don't understand. I don't know where. This is crazy. Y'all just expect a lot of photos from Instagram here. Okay, so I didn't tell you, but this place is located in Northridge in Accra. It is in central Accra, and from the views you can tell that like it's not children that stay here. It's period. Like, it's not just, this is not for kids, okay? If you're a child and you think you cannot, okay? You can't. This is in Northridge, so it's in central Accra and you have access to everything. So anyway, I think I'm actually going to end this video here. Oh, no, wait. I didn't tell you the cost of this apartment. It is about $195 per night. So yeah, it depends on what you want. Because if you've seen the first apartment tour, it was done by Winifred. I'm going to put the link in the description box below. That is for like budget. Like if you want to come to Accra on a budget, you can do that. But like if you want to come here and chop life and enjoy your life and live like, you know, you're not at anybody's level, then you can come here. It is $195 only a night. Yeah, so I've been talking too much. I've been explaining too much. I think I need to actually go and live in this place now. Okay, so I'm going to see you guys in my next video. If you like this video, make sure to like, make sure to share, make sure to thumbs up. That's like, I know. But yeah, make sure to subscribe to my channel as well. Turn on post notifications so you don't miss any video, any episode on our channel. But yeah, Vivian has also uploaded a video, so make sure to go and watch that as well. Thank you guys so much for watching and have a wonderful day. Bye.
You know, shine a light, don't hide away. You are more than you say, you know.